Let's look at some examples of how zero and negative indices work. In example 8a, anything that is to the power of 0 will be 1. Hence, the answer is 1. In example 8b, 5 to the power of 0 is 1. So the expression can be simplified to 1 times 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 2. And 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 2 can be simplified using the first law to get 5 to the power of 3. That will give you the answer of 125. For example 9a with negative index, simply reciprocate the index notation with the negative index property. And your answer will be, in this case, negative 1/5. For example 9b, using the third law, we can open up the brackets and simplify the expression to get 2 to the power of negative 12 times 2 to the power of 12. And using the first law, we can combine the powers to get 2 to the power of minus 12 plus 12, which equates to 2 to the power of 0, giving us a 0 index. And that will give you the answer of 1. Now, let's try something slightly more complex. In example 10, the first term is a fraction with negative index of minus 3. Also, each term here has a variable which have negative indices as well. To simplify the approach, let's rewrite the expressions such that we change all negative index to positive index using this property. Next is a step-by-step evaluation of how you can get to the answer. And the answer is y to the power of 5, z to the power of 5 over x to the power of 9. Here's another example. In example 11, it will be a systematic approach to evaluate all negative indices within the brackets to become positive indices. Hence, let's rewrite this equation to be this. And then do the same for the negative indices outside the brackets. Next, we multiply the index into the brackets, and we will get the answer to be 25x to the power of 12 over 4y to the power of 12. If you notice, some steps can be skipped if you plan your approach ahead. Hence, it's really important to do enough practice such that your evaluation skills become second nature. Only from there, you can be ready to tackle the heavier stuff. Want to learn more? I'll see you in the next video.